Hi guys! Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ragini. So as you already read the title that this video is all about Instagram filters. So in this video I'm gonna tell you guys about some amazing hidden Instagram filters of 2021. So this video is gonna be super interesting as well as fun. So I request you all to watch the full video so that you will find some of the amazing filters for your Instagram feed and your Instagram stories and your Instagram reels. So guys, the filters I'm gonna tell you, I'm in totally love with them, and I think why should not share with you guys so that you also like them. So without wasting any more time, let's get directly jump into the video. So guys, first I'll tell you how to find filters. Now open the story option and then select filters and tap on the down arrow bottom in the screen. Then select browse effects and then search for the filters you want. Example, I have searched for filters. And now download or save the filter, and you can find your saved filter in the story option. Guys, the first filter is that I see butterflies. You can see the butterflies in my hand, how beautiful it looks. So guys, this is the second one, smooth white. You can see how smooth this filter looks. It gives a white skin tone and also this type of neon effects in the hat. And this filter has 9 or 10 effects. This filter name is Ocean. It looks like little darker skin and shiny also, which looks very beautiful. Now going to the second filter, it's clouds. You can see the clouds in my cheeks, which looks very beautiful in face. And this one is Visco Golden Edge. It is some type of golden hour filter. Now going to the second filter, its name is Magic Sunset. It's specially for the sunset time or in the clouds. You can see it looks little orangish skin, and sky is looking very beautiful because its name is also Magic Sunset. So yeah, now going to the next filter. So next filter's name is Black and White Bling. It is totally black and white filter. So this one is Soft Glow. You can see the orange skin tone in my face, which is looking very unique. And now going to the second filter, it's Vogue Magazine. This one is a magazine filter, I guess, and a little dusty also. Now going to the second filter. So this one is Ocean. I guess I have repeated this one. So now going to the second filter. Its name is Prequel Kera. It's type of very aesthetic filter. It has a little sparkles and a white skin tone. Now the second filter is, its name is Natural, and you can see the natural skin tone in my face, which looks very natural and clear. So second filter is Purple Grey. It has a faded type of color which is grayish. And now the second filter is like black and white, and you can see the face have changing the colors. And the next filter is Trip. You can see how magical it looks, like I have gone to the magical world or somewhere. Now the next filter is from Larissa. Its name is Lush Blush. It is a face filter and also looks very beautiful in the golden hour. It has a little blushes in the cheeks. And the next filter is dreamy pink. You can see it is little focused filter and pinkish also. Now going to the second filter. Its name is graphic strip. You can see the graphic color changing and background changing in my background. And now going to the second filter. Its name is retro date. Actually this one is my favorite filter because it is very aesthetic looks and I literally in love with this. You can see the day name in the center. I guess it's Monday. So now going to the second filter is strip black and white. You can see the background changing. So the next filter is shine shine. You can see how shiny this filter is. Now going to the second filter, it's color palette and beauty. You can see the three colored palette in one side and it's changing when I was moving. And the next filter is lovely butterflies. You can see how beautiful these butterflies are, which are moving continuously in around my head. And this one is butterflies. You can see the still butterflies in my head, which looks very beautiful. Now going to the second filter is VHS Sparkle. You can see a little sparkle in the screen. And this one is teal aesthetic. Teal means the orange and blue color and aesthetic. So this one is sun blinds. You can see the window type effect in the screen. And this one is also sun blinds. And this one is dream pink. You can see the effect in my eyes, which is lashes, I guess. And this one is Indial Kid. And the next filter is V2 Orange. You can see the old type of cinema effect in this. And this one is Sad Kid. You can see how shiny sun looks in this effect. And this effect looks more beautiful in the golden hour time and standing against the sun. So the next filter is infrared. You can see the tree color changing in 4 different colors. So the next filter is my girl. You can see the white skin tone and the red lip color. So this one is so horrible, miss you. You can see how strange this filter is, but I literally like this filter. So the next one is sunrise and sunset vibes. This one is specially for the sunset and sunrise time. So this filter is the last one, runaway aurora. This one is trending too much nowadays in Instagram. You can try this one and post in your reels. So guys, I have tell you all the filters which I thought I have find those are aesthetic and very amazing. So that's it for the video guys. Hope you like it. If you really did, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And see you in my next video. Bye bye.